So in this video, we are going to see how we can use ITM Trace output to print debug statements in ARM Cortex-M3 microcontrollers. Main advantage of our ITM Trace output debug method is that it doesn't require any additional tool for debugging like UART serial converter or any other serial printing device. The same debugger can be used for printing the ITM Trace output also. We will be printing this in a debug terminal given by the Keil IDE on its debug dashboard. Before starting this process, please confirm that your debugger supports SWO line to output the ITM Trace outputs. Let's start with the initial configurations. Go to the options, target option configuration. Go to debug tab and select the settings for your debugger. Now go to trace tab, enable the trace and set the core clock to your microcontroller core clock value. Now in the stimulus ports, enable only the port you want. Here I am going to use the port 0. So I am going to set only for port 0 and disable all privileges because we are going to use this in normal mode. This settings, this configuration is enough for our debugger ITM Trace output to work. Click OK and close this configuration page. Now include core underscore cm3.h file to use the ITM send character function. Now we are ready to use ITM send car function. Let's do some testings with this function. Code changes are ready. I will go to debug dashboard now. I will start the debug session. Before that, I will compile and I'll flash this code to my chip. I'm starting the debug session now. Here already my debug printf viewer is enabled. If you're not seeing this viewer in your dashboard, go to view serial window and select the debug printf viewer. Now let's start the debug. We have reached the first character. I'm going to go step by step. You can see the hello word is getting printed character by character. Now let's see how we can use printf to print these characters all together as a string. So I will use a override function for printf. So I'm just going to create a fputc function that will override the existing built-in function and use this sendcar ITM sendcar function as the main definition inside for the fputc. So this is what going to override the existing one, and when I use printf, now we will be seeing characters or string printed in our debug printf viewer. Now I will remove all these individual character printfs outputs ITM functions, and I will use printf function. I'll compile and flash. Now let's print this statement. You can see hi hello world, the character, the string which I added inside the printf function got printed. If you want to print any integer with this string like we do for normal printf, that is also possible. You can add a integer also here. Just add %d or floating number, whatever you want, and give the number. I'll run now. So you can see hello world. 89 got printed after in a new line because I printed that after #r#n. So yeah, so our printf statement is printf function is working with our debug statements, and it is all outputting through ITM Trace Viewer. And this is it, guys. So if you have any question or doubt, or if you want any video on any topic, please let me know. Please like, subscribe, and share my video if you think this is useful. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.